Using a Chase Bank ATM is a straightforward process that allows you to perform various banking transactions quickly and securely. To start, locate a Chase Bank ATM near you and ensure you have your debit or ATM card with you. First, approach the ATM and insert your card into the card reader. The machine will prompt you to enter your personal identification number or PIN. Type in your PIN correctly and press the Enter button. If you enter the wrong PIN, the machine will ask you to try again. Once you have successfully entered your PIN, the ATM will display a menu of available options. These options typically include withdrawing cash, checking your account balance, transferring funds, and depositing money. Select the option you want to perform by pressing the corresponding button. If you want to withdraw cash, the ATM will ask you to select the account you want to withdraw from and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure to choose the correct account and enter the correct amount, as the ATM will dispense the cash accordingly. To check your account balance, select the Balance Inquiry option and the ATM will display your current balance. You can also use the ATM to transfer funds between your accounts or deposit money into your account. When depositing money, you will need to insert the cash or checks into the deposit envelope and follow the on-screen instructions. The ATM will verify the deposit amount and update your account balance accordingly. After completing your transaction, the ATM will prompt you to take your card and any cash or receipts. Make sure to take all your belongings and wait for the ATM to return to the main menu before leaving. To ensure secure and successful transactions, always keep your PIN confidential and be aware of your surroundings when using the ATM. Also, regularly review your account statements to detect any suspicious activity. By following these steps and best practices, you can use a Chase Bank ATM to manage your accounts efficiently and securely. Remember to always keep your card and PIN safe, and never share your PIN with anyone.